Hi, I'm Toby, and we're going to talk about 3 different types of smash to make your game better. Our first smash is the full jump smash. A full jump smash, you can get a lot of angle, a lot of power, but at the cost of recovery and sometimes placement. If you're trying to hit it as hard as you can, sometimes it's going to be a little hard to aim. So use your judgment when you want to do this smash. The next smash is a standing smash, but full powered. So here you can use a bit of weight shift, but you're gonna be grounded, which will give you better recovery overall. However, the weakness here is you're gonna hit flatter smashes, so that means you have less angle, giving your opponents an easier time to hit a drive return. So you may have better recovery, but you will have to get into more of a drive game. The third smash, my favorite, is the half smash, or what we can call the stick smash. So this one has a lot better angle and recovery and placement, but at the cost of power. However, because your recovery is better, you're gonna have better chance to follow up your smashes and keep the rally going at the pace you want to control it at. So up to 3 smashes, the full jump smash, the full standing smash, and the half smash. Which is the one you use the most? Please comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.